So we're going to be reviewing the circulatory system. So what you will be learning today is the function of the circulatory system, the parts of the circulatory system, and how the circulatory system works. I have attached a video link as well, just in case you need to relook it over. So we're going to start with the heart. So, the technical definition is a heart is a hollow muscular organ that pumps the blood through the circulatory system by rhythmic contractions and dilation. In vertebrates, there may be up to 4 chambers, as in humans, with 2 atria and 2 ventricles. So what does this mean? Okay, so this basically means is a heart is an organ that pumps blood through your body. The heart is the central control of where the blood goes. It pumps through your heart and spreads it out to the rest of your body. Okay. Next we have our atria. This is the technical term, any of the muscular walled tubes forming parts of the circulation system by which blood, mainly that which has been oxygenated, is covered from the heart to all the parts to the body. Oxygenated means there is oxygen in the blood. Okay, so what does this actually mean? Is an artery is a tube that is muscular and transfers blood to all parts of the body. It takes it away from the heart. Remember that arteries take it away. Okay? So, next we have is a vein. Okay? So a vein, technical term, is any of the tubes forming part of the blood circulation system of the body, carrying in most cases oxygen-depleted blood towards the heart. Oxygen-depleted blood means that it went through the whole body and now it has less oxygen. So what does this actually mean? A vein is a tube that carries blood that needs oxygen to your heart. So a vein carries the blood back to your heart. Okay? So next we have our capillaries. Capillaries are any of the fine branching blood vessels that form a network between the arteries and veins. So what does this mean? A capillary is a blood vessel that connects a vein to the artery. So if we look at this picture, let me erase this right here. So if we look at this picture, our artery is right here. Okay, our vein is over here. Our vein's over here. So our capillaries is what connects the arteries and the veins. And if you look down here, the difference between a vein and an artery is an artery carries the blood away, like I mentioned before, from the heart, and a vein returns blood to the heart. Next we have our blood. Blood is in our whole entire bodies. It's the red liquid that circulates in the arteries and veins of humans and other vertebrate animals, carrying oxygen to and carbon dioxide from the tissues of the body. So what does this actually mean to us? Blood is a red liquid that carries oxygen to the body tissues. This is what blood looks like on the inside. Then we have a blood vessel. Are the channels or conduits through which blood is distributed to blood tissue. This means blood vessels are small channels that carry oxygen to the body tissues. So if you look at the picture, these little, looks like trees coming out, like with little branches, those are blood vessels. Next, you'll fill out fill out in the boxes with your own definition. You'll be watching the video that I will be putting up. Then you're going to fill out this. Okay, so you're going to label this. So we have our veins and arteries and hearts. You're going to label the parts using the notes on the provided slide, or you can use the video that I'm showing you right now. So we have our arteries. This leads to our veins, and this is our heart. Next, you're going to be using the picture provided on slide 5, right here where I doodled all over it, to fill in these two. Next, I would just like you to look over the flow of how the circulatory system works. It goes into the right atrium, to the right ventricle, pulmonary artery, down to lungs, left atrium, left ventricle, aorta, the rest of the body. There's a whole system of it. I just would like you to look it over. Next, you're going to complete the circulatory system assignment. You'll be using my video that will be added right here and used to complete those notes. Then you will remember to complete the Google form.